Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create highlights on Instagram. Firstly, open your Instagram app on your device. On the lower bottom right, select your profile. The first option is to tap the plus under the story highlights, and the second option is to tap the plus at the top right, then select story highlight. Next, pick the story or stories you want to include in your highlight, then tap Next. Now, edit the cover image if desired and add a title for the highlight. And when you're done, just tap to create it. Add to create it. Your highlight will now appear on your profile for everyone to see. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.